How to earn money online without any investment. What if I told you that right now, with just your phone or computer, you could start earning your first $100 online by next week without spending a single penny? No courses to buy, no startup fees, no hidden costs. Just you, your device, and the proven methods I'm about to share. But here's the catch: 95% of people will watch this video and do absolutely nothing. Don't be one of them. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you 7 legitimate ways people are earning $50 to $500 daily online, starting from zero. But first, hit that subscribe button right now if you're serious about changing your financial situation. I share real money-making strategies every week, and subscribers get first access to my bonus tips. Do it now, I'll wait. Done? Perfect. Let's make you money. Method number 1: freelance writing. And no, you don't need to be Shakespeare. I personally know Sarah from Texas who started writing simple product descriptions on Fiverr with zero experience. Her first month? $347. Her secret? She specialized in writing for e-commerce stores simple, clear product descriptions that convert browsers into buyers. Here's exactly what you do: go to Fiverr right now, create a gig offering 50-word product descriptions for $5. Study 3 successful sellers in your niche, copy their gig structure, not their content, and undercut their price by $1. Start with friends' businesses or create sample work for fictional products. The beauty? You can literally start earning within 24 hours. No degree required, just basic English skills and the willingness to learn as you earn. Method 2 is huge right now: virtual assistants. Every day, thousands of entrepreneurs are desperately searching for someone to handle their basic tasks. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. I'm dropping a VA starter kit next week that's pure gold. Marcus from Nigeria started as a VA doing email management for $3 per hour. 6 months later, he's earning $15 per hour managing social media for 4 clients. That's $2,400 monthly. Start on BeFree.com or Upwork. Your first services? Email management, basic data entry, social media posting, and appointment scheduling. Create your profile today, apply to 10 jobs daily, and start at a competitive rate. Once you prove yourself, gradually increase your prices. Real talk: your first clients might pay low, but they're buying your learning experience. Every task you complete makes you more valuable for the next client. Method 3: online tutoring and skill sharing. You already know something valuable, even if you don't realize it. Meet David from Kenya. He's fluent in English and started teaching conversational English on iTalki for $8 per hour. No teaching degree, just patience and good communication. He now earns $1,200 monthly working part-time. But it's not just languages. Are you good at math? Excel? Guitar? Cooking? Gaming? People pay to learn everything online. Preply for languages, Wyzant for academic subjects, or even YouTube for skill tutorials with monetization. Quick start guide. Create your tutor profile today, set your rate at $5 to $8 per hour to start, offer a free 15-minute trial lesson, and focus on being genuinely helpful. Your reputation will build naturally, and you can increase rates as you gain reviews. Method 4: content creation. Yes, you can monetize your social media even with 0 followers. Proof story. Lisa started a TikTok account reviewing budget beauty products from her room. 0 followers on day 1. Today, she earns $800 monthly through affiliate commissions and brand partnerships, and she has just 15,000 followers. Strategy breakdown. Pick one platform, choose one niche you're genuinely interested in, and post consistently. Don't chase followers, chase engagement. A 1,000 follower account with high engagement earns more than a 50,000 follower account with low engagement. Monetization paths. Monetize through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling your own products or services. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and individual brand partnerships are all free to join. The key? Provide value first, sell second. Method 5: Online surveys and microtasks. Now, let me be brutally honest, this won't make you rich, but it will get you started. Set expectations. Apps like Swagbucks, InboxDollars, and Amazon MTurk pay real money for simple tasks. We're talking $50 to $150 monthly with consistent effort, perfect for building your first online income while you develop bigger income streams. Efficiency tip. Pro tip: use multiple platforms, focus on higher paying tasks like product testing and reviews, and set specific hours for this work. Don't let it consume your whole day. Treat it as seed money for bigger opportunities. Method 6: Affiliate marketing. This is where things get interesting because the income potential is virtually unlimited. Success story: James started promoting a $47 digital marketing course through his Instagram stories. He made his first $47 commission in week 2. By month 3, he was earning $1,500 monthly just sharing products he genuinely used and loved. Step by step. Start with products you already use and love. Join their affiliate programs, most are free. Share honest reviews on social media, YouTube, or even in Facebook groups. Focus on building trust, not pushing sales. The golden rule? Only promote what you'd recommend to your best friend. Your reputation is worth more than any commission. Method 7: Dropshipping, but the smart way. You don't need $10,000 to start, you need strategy. Start with Facebook Marketplace or local selling groups. Find trending products on AliExpress, list them locally with a markup, and only purchase after you make the sale. Zero upfront investment. Success framework. Research trending products, test with small local markets first, focus on solving real problems, and gradually scale to platforms like Shopify once you're profitable. Jennifer from Atlanta started this way and built a $5,000 monthly dropshipping business in 8 months. Now, let's get real for a moment. None of these methods are get-rich-quick schemes. They require work, consistency, and patience. Your first week? You might earn $20. Your first month? Maybe $200. But month 6? You could be earning $2,000 or more if you stay consistent and keep learning. The difference between successful online earners and those who quit? Successful people treat this like a real business, not a hobby. They show up every day, even when motivation is low. Every expert was once a beginner. Every success story started with someone exactly where you are right now, with nothing but determination and a willingness to start. If this video helped you see what's possible, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I'm building a community of serious action takers who are changing their lives through online income. Next week, I'm sharing the exact templates and scripts I use for client outreach that have a 40% response rate. You won't want to miss it. Here's my challenge for you: pick one method from today's video and take action within the next 24 hours. Don't just watch, do. Comment below with which method you're starting with, and I'll personally reply with a specific tip to help you succeed. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now. I believe in you, and I can't wait to hear your success story. Until next time, keep taking action, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't leave yet. Click that video on your screen for my complete guide to landing your first freelance client in 48 hours.